What's extraordinary about the privileged secrets and techniques of the universe? Its openings regarding the advanced exoplanet have area situation depend. Specialists, mumbling as it had, display fundamental phrases of occasions overlaying on a more profound stage for an extended period. The assignment for finding existence beyond Earth has lengthy enchanted humanity, and with the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, this adventure could, after a quick time, transform into reality. The telescope of overdue exposed a captivating thriller in Proxima Centauri, the closest famous person creation to us. Among its planets, Proxima B stands out with explicit phony lighting fixtures, leaving the scholarly region hypnotized and charmed. Might this any time at any point be the lengthy expected evidence of exquisite lifestyles beyond our planetary layout? How do scientists select whether these lights suggest the presence of savvy lifestyles on Proxima? Oblige us as we dive into how the James Webb Space Telescope perceived metropolitan lights 7 trillion miles from Earth. Individuals have continuously been vehemently interested in the mysteries of the universe, and through mechanical trends, our preferred power to check out the Earth and sky proceeds to push us forward. In spite of a few prolonged stretches of development, Earth stays the pinnacle planet recognized to have lifestyles. The well-established question overcomes: are we the only inhabitants of the universe? Or, on the other hand, are there town institutions included among the stars, hanging tight for us to discover them? To answer this elaborate say, American cosmologists Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson started a journey referred to as the Adventure for Extraterrestrial Expertise in 1984. This beneficent exertion rotates around spaceborne radio transmissions, which should move probably as viable methods for extraterrestrial correspondence. Despite massive stretches of definite searching at the sky for dependable symptoms, there is nonetheless no persuading affirmation of signs and symptoms from an extraterrestrial human in development. In any case, overdue reports from NASA recommended that the JWST could have perceived counterfeit metropolis lights from connecting planets. Is there any substance to this guarantee? We should kind it out. The convincing dispatch of the James Webb Space Telescope denotes an important forward hop in how mankind might interpret the universe. Organized around 1 million miles from Earth, this big telescope fills in as our window to the earliest times of the universe. It uncovers ahead of time unnoticeable bits of understanding and experiences into the game plan of stars, planets, and different heavenly bodies. Cosmologists use the JWST cameras and channels to get and have a look at the complex spectra, including fantastic matters. Through the JWST, experts can acquire extensive statistics approximately the substance affiliations and certifiable houses of astonishing bodies inside the farthest reaches of the universe. They accomplish this by using confining, unequivocal frequencies of mild. Beyond key understanding, the JWST examines and researches the atmospheres of exoplanets for recommendations of lifestyles. Its unexpected aptitude to peer past the limitations of this current fact has prompted the outright via and large staggering openings. For example, through the telescope, area experts have visible more mass than previously regarded to exist within the universe, stowed away in various terrific universes. This observation challenges earlier contemplation concerning the plan and degree of the universe. With mankind's affirmation to research the farthest levels of the universe, the JWST is prepared to be a primary device in disentangling the unique encounters of faraway impacted systems and making guides of motion for new astrophysical openings. Just 20 years ago, beyond our nearby planetary framework, stays to a notable diploma student stupid and not using regarded planets. In any case, cosmologists have considered more than 4,000 exoplanets encompassing some distance off stars, a display of human innovativeness and inventive development. As indicated with the aid of NASA, this inventory may be certainly the end of the great iceberg, displaying the presence of trillions more exoplanets dissipated all through the universe. Within the critical excursion for extraterrestrial existence, investigators hold on investigating the chance of following down remote regions beyond our beyond information. Throughout the Galileo rocket's excursion to Jupiter, its spectroscopic tool identified a smart phantom in grave-look terrestrial vegetal plants. This remarkable openness implied the beginning time experts saw biosignature. The plant's purple facet, manifestly appearing outdoor existence by shining in on the way it mirrors light, the JWST should find the solicitation in eating extraterrestrial situations. It'll accomplish this by means of implies of cautiously dissecting the orbital states of perhaps realistic exoplanets, considered within the proper zones in their distant parent stars. Once perceived, these signs ought to go probably as fundamental affirmation in the quest for insightful existence beyond our planet. As light goes through the air layers, the separated light is ingested to convey numerous frequencies by way of the particles and iotas in these layers. This activates an extraordinary ABD-modic Shore fingerprints that may be deciphered via spectroscopic examination. It's far guessed that once light from a celeb appears at a planet, the JWST can be able to separate it as it enters the planet's contemporary circumstance. In this manner, the JWST can be key in uncovering the air-making of remote exoplanets, a big indication of their veritable breaking point for Earth-like lifestyles. Earth-sized planets with weather well off in oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, like Earth, ought to preserve situations regular for life as we probably are conscious. However, the difficulty of predicted components or the presence of striking blends could represent optionally available sorts of lifestyles or indeed even mechanical sorts of development. Curiously, the recognized viable proof of chlorocarbons, CFCs, which are man-made compounds usually utilized for refrigeration and modern functions, may want to help the JWST in displaying the presence of an extraterrestrial human headway. If the JW notices such created intensifies in the climate of exoplanets, it will open new regions of requesting for extraterrestrial development outside our planetary framework. This has a tendency to a sincerely stimulating take a look at for astronomical experts, starting some other entryway into the barometrical processes of various universes and the open door of beguiling civic establishments. The easy manner, the openness of lifestyles beyond our association planet is depicted through unique potential outcomes that go beyond the snag of inherent science. While we believe lifestyles as flourishing in calm instances like our own world, it can be comprehensively more particular and over the top. As an instance, extremophiles and a fascinating amassing of residing matters necessarily occupy microorganisms. Flourish in conditions for the most part depicted as greatly mindless. Those robust living things can point a truth make do and thrive in conditions generally taken into consideration fundamentally obnoxious. As such, the elements of the universe and the horde conditions linked with it allow us to understand that our day out for extraterrestrial lifestyles need to be clean. Notwithstanding reference planets as an example Earth circling around stable sun-like stars giving bona fide potential massive doorways. We should likewise think about optionally available situations promising open doors for appraisals. As an example, exoplanets circling crimson little person stars, which can be more considerable inside the universe in SCBN in their decreased brilliance and cooler temperatures, veered from our Sun. They offer breathtaking capability results to investigate the capability for lifestyles in diverse conditions. The long existence expectation of red little stars offers okay possibilities for the lazy complex instances of life's rising and development to fan out. Visible as round 40 light-years, seemingly continuously from Earth, the TRAPPIST OnStar framework stands apart as in top-notch consideration for the JWST challenge. This interesting framework, containing a susceptible crimson little celebrity and 7 Earth-sized ugly planets, circles the quiet crimson little celebrity. 3 of these referred to planets are considered real and may maybe have water on their surfaces but more sincere and cooler than our Sun. The TRAPPIST-1 star radiates light appropriate for helping lifestyles on its encompassing planets. Among the extraordinary stars within the grandiose social class, Proxima Centauri remains as a type of reference factor for, in all likelihood, suitability. Basically, 4.25 million years from the Sun, Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our own. However, its vulnerable shimmer shows that any great planet circling it should keep a nearby distance. The distance of any valid planet to Proxima Centauri ought to be about, on extraordinary occasions closer than Earth is to the Sun. Without assembly this condition, none of its planets can hold up with life, preserving up with situations like our planet. In a captivating discovery on August 24, 2016, cosmologists tracked down a planet with 1.3 times the mass of Earth, noticed as interior Proxima's practical area. This Goldilocks-like nearby gives a sensitive harmony of mild energy definitely affordable for relaxing ice for water and probably supporting the seeds of lifestyles. Proxima B provides an considerable challenge circumnavigating around Proxima Centauri, its host big name. This planet, which is largely 4.6 million miles from its little crimson famous person, faces a massive range of difficulties to supporting existence. Proxima's honeybee's ability is mainly near its host big name, offering it to stable sunlight-based breezes that could strip away its environment and render it unprofitable. Regardless of these situations, Proxima gets good enough daytime to remain conscious of Earth-like temperatures wherein water is in a fluid improvement. Anyway, the planet's nearby circle offers streaming walking using one aspect of the equator, encountering steady high-mild, while one-of-a-kind encounters altogether obscurity. The circumstance appears to be the Moon's relationship with Earth in the planetary framework. With only 18% of the mass of the Sun, Proxima Centauri is essentially less mild than predicted. Combined with its location to Proxima B, only 5% of the distance among Earth and the Sun.